We've come to the end of another year. Today's about reviewing some of the best of what we've brought you in 2022. Hi, this is Frank Buck, and this is the place to be if you want to get organized and make it look easy. Every week, we've brought you new content. Some of you watch every video that we do, and others are finding us for the first time. So here are 11 videos that perform the best for viewers. I hope you'll take some time to have another look at the ones that you've seen and take a look at for the first time at the ones that you've missed. I've got links to all 11 in the show notes. First up is 10 Time Management Tactics, the Leader's Asset with Robert Barlow. Robert Barlow interviews me as a part of the Leader's Asset Summit. We give you 10 time management techniques that you can start implementing today. Next up is the simplest way to organize tasks. Want to make your task list your friend? Well, in this post, we show you how to organize that list so that it flows and that the most important tasks get done. Third is Google Calendar, how to make the family calendar work. How would you like to have a family calendar that actually works? Get rid of the one that's on the refrigerator and let a shared Google Calendar do the job. We even talk about having Google Calendars for every member of the family that are shared appropriately. Next up is journaling with your voice using Evernote. This is the first of a number of Evernote posts that you're going to hear about. Use voice input to create a journal in Evernote. Use your voice to text yourself. The automation you learn in this post does the rest. Next is another Evernote one, how to keep up with those important interactions. So how do you keep up with things like nice handwritten notes from friends? Trap those memories in Evernote by devoting a note to each person. Here's another one from Evernote, how to link a note to a calendar event. So let's say you take your notes in Evernote. So you're preparing for a meeting and you're putting together an Evernote note for that meeting, or you have scheduled an important phone call and you've created an Evernote note to go along with that call, or you have some other event where you have notes in Evernote. Well, here's my question. When it's time for the event that's on your calendar, how can you quickly put your hands on the notes? Well, this video shows you exactly how to do it. Next up is what's a money calendar and why you need one. When routine payments and subscriptions are handled automatically, how can you be sure it's correct? A money calendar is the answer, and I think you're going to enjoy this step by step on how to make one for yourself. Next, here's another one related to Evernote. Evernote Quick Note, what it is and why you need it. Are you looking for the digital equivalent of that memo pad that lives by the phone? Well, look no further. The Evernote Quick Note is a gem hidden in the Evernote desktop software. And another one about Evernote, how to organize your good ideas. Your information's only as good as your ability to find it when you need it. Let Evernote help you do the job, and this post shows you how. 7 great uses for Evernote. What could you keep in Evernote? Well, here are 7 practical uses. Pick one and get started. Add more one at a time. And last is Google Travel, why you're going to love this one. When you plan a trip, Google does more than you probably know. Well, look at what happens on your Google Calendar and explore Google Travel. Thanks for spending part of 2022 with me. Happy New Year, and let's keep doing this every week in 2023. This has been Frank Buck, helping you get organized and make it look easy.